Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my home studio reveal. As you guys can see, the rest of the basement was not done, just the office. But one of the things I always wanted on my office door was my own code. My husband and my kids was livid that I did that, but it was a dream come true for me. So here my baby is. She is nowhere near done. As you can see, I haven't put anything on the walls. I just wanted to get into the space and just begin to work and have my area to do my thing. So there's no decorative stuff anywhere. I just wanted my desk, chairs, a rug, and some lights. And eventually I'll get to really styling it out. But I just wanted to share with you guys. I know I have literally left you hanging in these past months, and I just wanted to share with you what the space is looking like. So we'll start in my closet. The shelving that is in there was actually donated by my aunt. She gave me these shelves to help organize my closet. In the closet, I keep my ring light. I'll probably do some shelving on that side of the wall, but I'm definitely not going to paint in here. It's just a space to keep things organized and out of the actual office. On the shelves, I have vases. I have containers with my sweatshirts in there. I have mason jars. I have candles, just certain things that I keep an abundance of. I wanted to be able to store into the closet and not actually have it inside my physical office, just to alleviate and open up for more space. The desk and chairs, the desk was actually made by my husband. The chairs are from Overstock. The desk, I love the chairs. Let's get back to the chairs. The chairs are swivel, they have the acrylic backs, and they have the gold legs. The desk is actually two bookshelves and a door that my husband and we found a video on YouTube that shared how we could do it, and I absolutely love it. I used the shelving for books, for just various office supplies. I haven't decided if I'm going to put baskets, which I probably will, just to conceal a lot more things. The lighting is from Overstock. It gives great lighting. It has a gold detail to it, and the bulbs are clear as well. And I love it. It was fairly, I think it was price fair. I also wanted to add, now excuse the nails, y'all, excuse the nails. I also wanted to add in my office a very specific area to take photos, so we decided to put up a backdrop. And honestly, that's nothing but an artificial item product that I found at Home Depot that I'll link. Here is the rug that I believe I've purchased from either Wayfair or Overstock. I'll try and find it for you, and I'll leave it in the link in the comments below. But I love it as well. The heat press was definitely not a part of my office plans, but we decided to sell t-shirts and stuff for my organization, so I needed to be able to put the heat press in there. So here is the office. I hope you guys have loved it, and I will catch you in our next episode. Bye guys.